Today's video is again with the Deus 2 demonstrating how a user, any user has this machine, can actually determine what transmit frequency is being transmitted while using the single frequency option. So we're in Deus Mono, and I've dropped down to 4.4 kilohertz just for this particular demonstration. You go into shift and go down to 0. I'll do this slowly. When you come back out, it shows you the transmit frequency, 4.0. Go back into shift, go to 1, frequency shift 1, go out, it's 4.2. Now let's go to the other end, frequency shift 6, transmitting 4.7 kilohertz. So we've determined that the Deus Mono 4.4 kilohertz transmits from 4 all the way up to 4.7 kilohertz. Now any user can determine by their own machine without the use of a scope. So let's go in here. I'm going to change this all the way up to the maximum single frequency option. We'll go into shift, move it down to 0, go out. Transmit frequency 36.3 kilohertz. Go back into shift. If you just go up 1, if you was going to make your own chart, I've already done that, by the way. Pretty interesting, I think. Go out and it shows you the transmit frequency. Go back into shift. I'm going to go to the other end of the spectrum. Maximum transmit frequency for the Deus 2 and single frequency is 45.4. I hope this little tutorial will help give other users a little more defined information about what their machine can do. And everybody have a great day.